Hi guys, and welcome to day 2 of my trading recaps, my journaling. So here we go. So today, as you can see, I'll put this on full screen to see better. Okay, so as you can see, in gold I made money. Today it was a green day and a great day. So I'm gonna explain why did I enter here, why did I took this trade, what happened, what was my confluences, what was my setup. So here we go. So here I was on a higher time frame. I was kind of bullish today on gold. I was kind of bullish. I don't know, like here the higher highs, higher lows. I was kind of bullish, but I think from the open in 9:30, when the price sell off, that's where I changed my bias. Today I had a bullish bias on gold, but then here I saw some internal liquidity sweep, and I saw that maybe the price can go down. So here, right there, I changed my bias to bearish, and it was a good decision. Why? Because there's like 5 confluences. There's a lot of confluences that made me change my bias. So why did I change my bias? Because why there? Here the price make a lower high. So that's the first one. The second one is that in the 9:30 the price goes up. We made some internal liquidity sweep right there. A little one right there. 2 internal liquidity sweep, and then a big sell off. So here after this, the price goes up, retest a bearish fair value gap right there, and then goes down again. So here, when I saw that the price goes down here, I was very bearish. Okay, I was watching for an entry, but I was patient. Why? Because before I took the trade on gold, I lost on Nasdaq. Yeah, I took a loss on Nasdaq, but I will explain this after. So here on gold, I saw that the price goes down, then chop a little bit right there, but in that choppiness, or before that, I saw on 5-minute time frame, I saw a change in the state of delivery. As you can see right there, the blue line, I saw a change in the state in a golden fib. It's a golden Fibonacci or equilibrium in the discount. So yeah, I saw a change in the state in that zone, and as you can see, the price retest that change in the state. So I go back to the 1-minute time frame. Okay, one minute time frame, and as you can see, I trace a line on. I mark the line on the 5-minute time frame changing the state, but as you can see, there is another one before that and change the state, but in 1-minute time frame right there. This is a change in the state of delivery in 1-minute time frame. As you can see, the price goes up, retest a bearish fair value gap, goes down, and there's like 4 wicks that the price pushed down in that zone. So this was a good change in the state, in bearish change in the state in 1-minute time frame, but I took the 5-minute one. So yeah, it was the same thing. If I marked this one in 1-minute time frame, maybe I could have entered earlier. So have like here, I don't know, just for example, but I entered in the 5-minute time frame, change the state of delivery. So yeah, so here what happened? The price goes down there. Here I was waiting to the price to goes up, retest the golden fib, and why not the change in state. So right there, the price goes up. I saw that it tests the 5-minute time frame change state of delivery, and I saw too that there was in 1-minute time frame inverse fair value gap. As you can see, the price goes up and retest like 4 wicks on the inverse fair value gap. So in the third one there, when the price goes down like here, yeah, I know I entered a little late there, but yeah, after the price goes up right there, But yeah, then the price sell off, and that's where it goes down to my TP. So yeah, my confluences. What was my confluences in resume? It was some internal liquidity sweep, fell off, retest on the bearish for value gap, fell off again, retest some 500 time frame changes instead of delivery, and retest a 1 minute inverse value gap. And then I entered sell here. I sold here, and then the price goes a little bit off, test one more time the inverse value gap, and then it goes down, and then sell off. So yeah. So why did I put my TP here? So here, when the price was there, I saw that there was liquidity right there, liquidity right there, and liquidity right there. So I saw that if the price goes down, it must take those liquidity. There's those liquidity since yesterday, so I was need to be taken, you know. So that's where I put my TP. First I put it there, but I was like, I think the better target is there. I can, it can go there. So actually, it sell off and touch my TP. So yeah, that was my trade. This was my trade on gold. That's what was my confluences. It was a very good trade. I followed my rules, my plan. I waited. I was patient, and I waited to see my setup. I took this setup. I took the trade, and it was a very good trade. So I'm very satisfied in this. And yeah, it wasn't the only trade that I took today. I traded too on Nasdaq, and Nasdaq I lost. Yeah, I lost on Nasdaq. It wasn't too much, like 100, something like that. So as you can see, I got stopped out right there. Then the price chop a little bit right there, range like this, and then sell off. So yeah, my vision was good, but I think I took it a little too early, you know. I could have waited like the price here to goes up and then enter, maybe sell right there, somewhere like in this, but I was too early. But my target was a good target. My target was this sell side, and it actually got touched right there and then sell off even more. So yeah, even if I got stopped out there, it didn't matter to me, and I was confident and got stopped out. So yeah, the only mistake that I can say is that I sold before 10 a.m. and 10 a.m. there was some news thoughts. So that's where I almost got stopped out. So imagine the price goes up, stop me out, and then it goes down to my TP. Maybe it could have pissed me off, but yeah, that's my mistake. I could have sell after the news. So yeah, but I'm satisfied. I'm very satisfied. So because I made my money back, and when I talk to this, I'm gonna see on my Top Step X account. Top Step X. So yeah, as you can see, 2 trades. I lost this one on Nasdaq, minus this, and then on gold I made this amount. So total of the day I made 378. So yeah, for me it was a good day. I am satisfied of this day. I made my money back, and I even made profit. So yeah, and my account, I have my account to 2,200. So yeah, I have only $800 left to pass the account. So yeah, I am very confident that I will pass this combine and go back to funded account like this month. I'm pretty confident, but I have to stay humble because the market can humble you. So yeah, pretty satisfied with this week. Yeah, last week it was a bit crazy, yeah, but this week is very good. 1 trade yesterday I lost, 2 trades today I lost, but I gained what I lost, and we are in profit in the week. So I'm really satisfied, and yeah. So this was my trading recap of the day, and yeah, pretty satisfied. And we're gonna see tomorrow to the next trading day. Goodbye.